Hello there. Hello, welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, so Tarron Innovative World is the home of creativity. Yes, where we bring creativity into action. Yes, creativity is the order of our day here at Tarron Innovative World. You can see the bag right behind me. Yes, I made it myself. So, and a lot of people, so many other luxury bags made by me, made here at Tarron Innovative World. A lot of bags, a lot of designer bags. In fact, a lot of people don't believe, like they are always wowed when they see what our production here at Tarron Innovative World. We are located in Jos, Plateau State, but don't worry, very soon something is cooking. Yes, something is cooking, and we're looking towards Lagos. All right, Lagos, Nigeria. So, but then let's talk about the most important thing I want to talk about today. Now, especially to the young, to my younger, like to the young people, to the young folks out there. Like, let me especially talk to the ladies. Let me talk to the ladies, please and please. I would like you to get something. Like, don't go into marriage without you having something tangible, like without having a skill. Yes, you may be a graduate. It's very, very good. It's very, very important. Yes, it's good that you are a graduate, but if we should subtract that graduate from your whatever, from you, what will be left? Is it only that certificate that you have? What other things can you show? What other value can you add to to the community, to the society, and to Nigeria and to the world at large? Yes, I'm speaking to everybody, all the young people. Yes, I'm also a young person, so I think I should be able to talk to you. So what value, what other skill do you have apart from that certificate you acquired from the university or from the polytechnic or from any of the higher institutions? So this is a question that you need to answer. As a young lady, are you waiting? Like, are you sleeping and waking up every day hoping to meet that Mr. Right? Yes, that is already made, that is already, is settled, he has everything. My dear, if that is what you're dreaming about, or if you're still in the dreamland, please wake up. So my dear, please wake up from that dreamland, because that your dream, it get as it be. So if you want to have a successful, sweet life, seriously marriage life, you need to have something. Let me tell you, gone are those days. I'm shouting this thing, and gone are those days when men, are looking for somebody from, that they will raise. And now everybody, both male and female, are looking for somebody that has value to offer. So let me tell you something. As a teacher, I can show you. Go to my Facebook. All right. So my name is Ruth Olayemi Olaleru. Go to my Facebook page and check my pictures of maybe 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16. You see, I thought, because I studied mathematics, but the truth is that I didn't even look like a teacher, because one thing that is conversant with teachers is dressing anyhow, like pitsy, because the standard, the payment is not something to talk about. So it's not as if teachers don't want to look good, but they are not paid well, especially in Nigeria. So you see, but as for me, because I had my skill, apart from being a graduate, yes, I was teaching mathematics because I studied mathematics, yet I had my business. Yes, my business. As I was teaching, I was also doing my business in one side. So you understand, with time, now I'm no longer teaching because I can't even accept or receive such peanuts. I'm no longer teaching. Yes, I resigned during COVID-19. I didn't return because I had something. Assuming I didn't have a skill, I didn't have a handwork, it would have been very difficult for me to take that decision. Because even as a teacher then, let me tell you something, I've never lived a broke life. I wasn't a broke teacher. Why? Because I had my skill. Yes, I was making bags. I would sell to my colleagues. I bake cakes. Yes, beautiful cakes. I baked yummy cakes and I decorated the cakes. And then you see, and I was also selling shoes. I'll go to where they are selling, shoes in wholesale. I'll buy, sell to my teachers on credit, my colleagues on credit. As the month is ending, because we agree with you that this is when you pay me. We all know, we agree that as soon as they are paying, you give me my money. So you understand, at the end of the month, almost all the teachers, I will collect from their money. So you see that, which means that I don't need to touch my own salary. So that was how I was able to save. I wasn't from a rich family. I came from a very poor family. Yes, I came from a very poor family, raised by my mom. My mom raised myself and my other siblings. We are all girls. So it was a difficult, growing up. So do you understand? I didn't go to the best schools. In fact, I didn't go to the best public school as a child, as a girl child, because our mother was a struggling mother. She was struggling to make ends meet for us, and we were all working together with her. At my early age, we started hawking. We hawk tomatoes, pepper, veggies, like that. So that is just, let me just tell you, so that you won't feel maybe I'm from a rich family, that's why it's easy for me. No, I'm from a poor family then. So like I was saying, so I used to have something to take home from almost all the teachers, because they will patronize me. I was bringing in beautiful shoes, I will make bags, I will make cakes. So at least you will have to patronize me in one of my because I'm doing a lot of things. So you understand. So I had my skill. So in fact, even the person that the school I was working, I was well respected, because they knew that I had other options. Yes, because my business, what I was doing, I advertised to my proprietors. They knew what I was doing. They knew that teaching was not my only, do or die. It wasn't my only hope. That is why you see that a lot of teachers are being looked down upon, because they know, even their employers know that once they take that job from them, they are left with nothing. So I wouldn't want you to also end that way. So please, I'm encouraging you. This is 2024. Please, I want you to wake up from that your dreamland, that you will get that Mr. Right that is already having anything. You and I know that the economic situation in Nigeria is not that friendly. This is why I'm encouraging you to equip yourself, at least in a skill. Like me, I'm into bag making. You can see what I have here. Like, a guy came into my shop yesterday, my office yesterday, and he was wild. In fact, he had to snap all the bags. Like, these for guys, even ladies are carrying it. Yes, one of it is for a lady, so it's a unisex bag. So when the guy saw it, he was so like amazed that, wow, this is too beautiful, this is too lovely. And he was telling me that, auntie, do you know that your bags always come out the best? He looked at the lunch bags I made. He looked at everything and he said, wow, auntie, you are trying. Do you understand? And I also bake. Yes, I bake well. Like, if you taste my cake, forget it. It's just that I'm still trusting God for finance, so that I'll be able to have each of these things. Do you understand? So I'm still coming up. We are still coming up, myself and my husband. But I know God will help us. So what I just want to encourage you today is, please learn a skill. I make beads. I wish, just scroll through, go to my Facebook, even this Tarron Innovative World, you will see on our Facebook page, Tarron Innovative World, you see a lot of things. Don't be surprised. All those things are made here. They are made by me. Yes, I make quality beads. Quality, I make Zara caps, GTBANK caps, perfectly, throw pillows. In fact, a customer just left here now. I'm about to make duvet for them, duvet set. I make duvets, throw pillows. Do you understand? I make what. Now, I'm currently making these offering bags. So let me show you. I'm currently making these offering bags. Okay, so, and I'm making about 250 copies. Okay, so I've made some even just a day before yesterday. So I'm making 250 of these offering envelopes. So you can imagine. So I make all these things, and God has been helping. So please, so I encourage you to learn a skill. And if you like to learn a skill, I organize an online training, yes, on Telegram. And I can bet you that a lot of people have benefited from me, because the way, and also you can go to my YouTube channel, Tarron Innovative World. Tarron Innovative World, TARRON Innovative World. You see my videos there for free. At least you can start with that one. But if you want to know it much more better, and you know you want to take bag business, you want to take bag making as a business, you can contact me on 080-365-88365. So the number will be displayed on the screen. So, and my name is Ruth Olayemi Olaleru. So please, I am not a scammer. I'm here to encourage you. Learn a skill today. Learn a skill. So currently I'm teaching people how to make bags. Yes, I'm teaching people how to make bags for now. Yes, and it's on Telegram, and the fee is 10,000 naira. So if you're interested in it, you can enroll for the class. So my number is 080-365-88365. If you're outside Nigeria, you can add +234 to the number. So this is what I brought to you today. So see you when you hear from. See you when I see you. All right. So bye bye for now.